Hi friends, this is another video from Smile Expressions Dental Clinic, Hallu Road. So today we are going to talk about dental crowns. Dental crowns are placed when we are having a missing teeth in the mouth or for teeth where we have done the root canal treatment. Now there are various types of crowns that are available in the market. Today we are going to discuss about these types of crowns. The first ones are the metal crowns. As you can see, they are very strong. They are very much affordable. But the only drawback with these metal crowns is that they are not that aesthetic. They are going to look black inside your mouth. The second ones are metal ceramic. As you can see, they are having metal from inside and ceramic portion from outside. So again, the aesthetic part is okay in this, but it is not that good in terms of aesthetic, because metal casting is there inside. Also, this metal casting is going to shrink after some time, so it is going to open the margins, which is going to lead to reinfection. So I won't prefer these crowns. The third types are full ceramic crowns, which are the premium crowns available in dentistry. As you can see, there is no metal inside these crowns. They are made through CAD/CAM technology. Computer designed crowns are these, and they are highly aesthetic and they give a superior fit on the teeth surface. So I hope this video was useful. Please like and share. Thank you.